Morning guys, June 8th, 2025. This one here I got a call for some sinks backing up at one of the daycares I work at. So it's got a couple of sinks in one of the rooms. He wants me to go over there and change the piping. Supposedly it's all original piping from what he said. So I'll go there and you know, take it apart, see if the stuff's crusty. I'll change it. If it's not, maybe I'll just take it apart and clean it and put it back together. I don't know yet. We'll have to make a determination when I get there. If the stuff needs to be changed, I'll change it. If not, we'll just do what we gotta do. Get it so it drains. We'll try to get you some shots over there. There's some fly action happening here, so. Please change. We'll have to see what's going on here, and let's take this thing down and take a look-see. Oh, look at that. Ain't looking bad. I don't know. I'll have to try and see if I could figure out why it's not going down. I use this stuff here. This is like flipping slime from hell. It don't look rotted. It's probably just slow from the slime. Get some hot water down in there, and this side's backing up. That side's going down. This is the stuff they shouldn't be using this shit. This side's backing up. This side's going down. This side's going down full bore, so this side's backing up. Should be able to just plunge them. I got a couple of different plungers I'm gonna try. These go straight down. Might be muck in there. These do have an overflow here. You gotta block these holes. You gotta block them holes when you do the action. I mean, it won't work. You gotta block these holes with your fingers, because I'm blocking now, or it ain't gonna work. It's just gonna blow out the overflow. There she goes, Mama. You get some good action there. Gotta block them holes with your fingers or it ain't gonna work. I can feel it trying to push through my fingers here. I got it blocked. Some nice hot water down there and flush all that muck out of there. I'm gonna call them and tell them I ain't gonna sell them something they don't need. Gotta give it a good flush. Let's fill that up good, and we'll give it a good doucheroo. Gonna block these with your fingers, or it just comes out here. It's going down good now. Gotta get that hot water down in there and give it a good flush. I like this is a nice little plunger. We'll let it run for a while. There's nothing wrong with these drains. There's nothing wrong with them. They're not rotted or anything, they're fine. I don't see it rotted. Why change it? I'll call them and let them know what I did here. I gotta be more of a salesman. Flies can come up through the drain if the trap dries out. If you don't use the drain, what will happen is the flies will come up through the because the trap will evaporate, and the flies will come up that way. There you go. Nothing wrong with that. That's an easy, quick, easy fix. I'll call him and see if I can get a hold of this guy. Alright, I called the maintenance guy and I told him about, he said he didn't try plunging it. He thought that the lines are all rotted and they needed to be replaced. I told him he needs to plunger it and put his fingers over these 3 holes at the same time with water in it to get it going. He didn't even try, so